Thank you so much for stopping by the 4 Times the Mom channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Christy, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make my very easy chicken salad wraps. So stay tuned. Today's Cook With Me is a chicken dish collaboration hosted by the Southern Farm and Kitchen channel as well as Mrs.Dickinson 1910. These ladies, including myself and multiple other YouTube channels, have come together, created our very own chicken recipes, and compiled them into a playlist that looks similar to this right here. Now, the link to this playlist you will be able to find in my description box under this video. So make sure you click on the playlist, watch all of the recipes that we have prepared for you guys, and subscribe to all of their channels as well as mine. Now let's get right on into making those chicken salad wraps. These are the ingredients that you will need for your chicken salad wraps. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take a can of premium chunk white chicken. You're going to drain the water from the can and pour the chicken in a bowl. Next, you need to measure out a half a cup of mayonnaise and then pour it over in the bowl with the chicken. Next, you're going to chop half of a small purple onion, 1 mini sweet pepper, and it does not matter the color, and about a half of a stalk of celery. And you're going to put that over into the chicken and mix it together. Next, you're going to take 1 tablespoon of dill relish and pour it over into the chicken mixture. Okay, so now it's time to prepare the wrap. This is what the flatbread looks like. Here it is. You're going to take your chicken mixture and you're going to put it down the center of the wrap. It's going to look like that. And then you're going to add your tomatoes if you like tomatoes. If you don't have to put that. But you're going to put 3 of those. And then shred some lettuce and put that on top of the tomatoes. If you like lettuce. If you don't have to put it on there. And then you're going to roll your wrap just like this. And then there it is, it's finished. There's your chicken salad wrap. Thanks again, guys, for coming over to my channel and watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. And please don't forget to go down in the description box and click on the playlist so you can get tons more chicken recipe ideas that all of those ladies have prepared for you. And please consider subscribing to their channels as well. We thank you so much, and until next time, guys, I'll see you all later. Bye.